I'll share the PPTs. In last lecture, we discussed about the CMOS inverter and NOR gate. Okay, I told you that try for the NOR gate. Are there ENTC students?
Yes, ma'am.
आणखीन कोण आहे? ENTC students.
Yes. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, for ENTC, see the syllabus. Unconnected inputs, wired logic, open drain output, interfacing of CMOS and TTL, and datasheet specification. Okay, you are having this content, but computer students are having only CMOS inverter and this wired logic open drain output. So I will conduct in the lecture this part only, and tomorrow at the time of practical, I will conduct your lecture regarding these extra points. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Computer and ENTC student will conduct the practical tomorrow for a few minutes or half an hour, and after that, whatever extra contents are there for ENTC students, I will conduct the lecture for them. Okay. See, for computer engineering, actually, you are not having the NAND and NOR, just you are having the CMOS inverter. Otherwise, syllabus is same for this unit. See here, you are having the CMOS inverter, CMOS characteristics, CMOS configuration, or wire logic and open drain outputs. Okay, we'll see that much only. Is it clear for computer students?
Yes, ma'am.
You are not having NAND and NOR. Okay, we'll see this again. Just this is the part of CMOS inverter as we have already explained. Okay. This is consist of the N channel MOS as well as the P channel MOS. Can anyone tell how it works? Great, students are joining. Just will revise the things because already we have studied the CMOS inverter. I will conduct the next part, that is wired logic and open drain output. Already these things are there in a TTL also. Okay. Can anyone? When Vin is equal to 0 volt, which transistors will be on?
P channel.
P channel means specifically written there Q2. Okay. So Q2 will be on. So output will be
5 volt
5
or
volt.
high.
That is an high. That is the logic 1 because this VDD is connected to the plus 5 volt. Okay, source is connected to the plus 5 volt. Now, when input is a 1, which transistor will be on?
N channel.
N channel. That is Q1 will be on. Here it is written, and Q2 will be off as it is connected to the ground. So output voltage will be the 0 volt or a logic 0. Okay. Now, this is shown like a switch when input is 1 and input is a 0. Now, this is about the CMOS configuration in case of the wired logic. We have to observe that whether we can wire the CMOS output. Okay. So this is the this is the inverter 1. This is the inverter 1 and this is the inverter 2. Okay. Output of these are wired together. That is, ANDing is done. Now see, we know the operation of the inverter. Okay. When A equal to 0 and B equal to 0, which transistor are going to, which FET are going to be on? When A is equal to 0 and B equal to 0, what will happen?
Q2 and Q2 dash will be on.
Oh, correct. Q2 and Q2 dash will be correct, will be on, and what will be the output? What will be
High.
the output? It will be high. Okay. चांगलं समजले तुम्हाला. When we are applying A equal to 0 and B equal to 0, this Q2 and Q2 dash will conduct, and this will be non-conducting state, and the output will be in a high state. Similarly, when input is equal to 1, that is A equal to 1 and B equal to 1, this Q1 and Q1 dash are going to conduct, so that our Y will be low. That is, you will get the logic 0 for this. But what will happen if A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 0, or A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 1? Take first condition, when A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 0, what will happen?
High output.
How you will get the high output? I am saying A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 0. Which FET MOSFETs are going to be on?
Q1 dash
Q2 will
and Q2.
Q2 and Q1 dash, correct. So what should be the logic? This is connected to the ground and this is connected to the VDD. How you can say that it will be high? See, Q2 is going to be on and this is connected to the VDD. And Q1 dash is going to on and this is connected to the ground. Can we get the output voltage or a high or low? No. We are not getting the output voltage either low or high, or either logic 0 or logic 1, because in this case Y is equal to VDD by 2. We are getting Y equal to VDD by 2. So circuit is not going to work properly. Okay. Because of this, what is the conclusion? That wired logic should not be used for the CMOS logic circuits. Got it? What is our conclusion? That wired logic can't be used for the CMOS logic circuits. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And now this is the last point that is from CMOS configuration, that open drain outputs. Now just remember this diagram, that of inverter. Inverter ची diagram बघून घ्या. तर काय ह्याच्यासारखंच सॉरी वैसे ही यहाँ पे क्या है ओपन ड्रेन और इट इज कॉल्ड एज ओपन कलेक्टर आउटपुट इन केस ऑफ द TTL it is called as open collector output and here in case of CMOS it is considered as a open drain outputs. What has been done here? See this P channel, that is a P channel MOSFET, pull up MOSFET is replaced by the diode and one more external resistor. Okay, so using this that we have seen we can't use wired logic for CMOS, but if we use the open drain configuration then it can be used for the wired logic. That is the most advantage of using this. But what is the disadvantage of this circuit? That RC time constant depends upon this external resistance and this external resistance is in a kilo ohm. So the switching speed is a low, very slow. That's why this is the drawback of using the outputs. Is it clear? For open drain only we are using that P MOSFET is replaced by this external diode and resistor combination. Now this is a comparison between CMOS and TTL and it is very useful for the online exam because you have to remember a few parameters of it for what is requirement of CMOS and TTL. For ENTC students, you are having the interfacing and at the time of interfacing you should know the voltage, current, noise margin, all these values of the CMOS and TTL. Then only we can say that you can directly interface the CMOS with TTL with CMOS, or whether you have to connect the external circuitry. These all the things are depending upon these parameters. Okay, now see in N-channel MOSFET and P-channel MOSFET and bipolar junction transistor हमें मगब नहीं करना है लेकिन थोड़े बहुत तो है values just keep in mind. Okay, this is a 3.5 volt minimum voltage, this is 2 volt, 1.5 volt, 0.8 volt, 4.95 minimum, 2.7 volt, maximum 0.05 volt, 0.4 volt. Noise margin कितना है? CMOS का 1.45 है, मतलब ये ज्यादा टॉलरेट कर सकता है. यहाँ पे नॉइज मार्जिन है 0.4 volt. Okay, noise immunity you can say from this it is a better than TTL, it is a less than CMOS. Propagation delay 105 nanosecond and here it is a 10 nanosecond. Switching speed, propagation delay ज्यादा है यहाँ पे और इसका कम है तो क्या रहेगा? Switching speed CMOS का less than TTL बोल रहे हैं. So what will be the propagation delay is less than, propagation delay is 105 nanosecond and here for bipolar it is a 10 nanosecond. So what will be the switching speed for the CMOS? क्या रहेगा? Less or more?
Less.
लेस, क्योंकि डिले ज्यादा है मतलब स्विचिंग स्पीड कम है, उसका स्लो है और यहाँ पे 10 नैनो सेकेंड है. सो दिस इज अ फास्टर देन सीमॉस. जनरली कैसे लगता है कि टीटीएल अभी पुराना हो गया, सीमॉस तो अभी लेटेस्ट यूज करते हैं. तो रिगार्डिंग द स्पीड इफ यू कंसिडर, इफ यू नीड द such applications that you speed is preferred, in that you have to use TTL instead of CMOS. Power dissipation per gate is a 0.1 milliwatt and here 10 milliwatt. Speed power product 10.5 picojoule, 100 picojoule. Fan out for MOSFET it is a typically 50 and for BJT it is a 10. Power supply voltage it is flexible from 3 to 15 volt and it is fixed equal to 5 volt. These two parameters are also important. ENTC student for interfacing the power supply voltage 3 to 15 volt and for TTL it is required only to 5 volt. Now tell me what do you mean by fan out? Here we are saying that typically 50, and for TTL we are saying that the typically 10. ये MCQs के लिए important है for both the branches. What do you mean by fan out?
Number of output taken out by a logic.
Taken out.
The output to 50 units.
See, there is one statement that I will say. You can use fan out of 10 for CMOS to CMOS connection. What it means? Statement समझ में आया? I'm saying you can use a fan out of 10 for CMOS to CMOS connection. What it means? हम लोगों ने देखा है ना ड्राइवर लोड
And it can provide input to 10 units.
that can be said like this. CMOS device can drive up to 10 CMOS load. More sophisticatedly. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
A CMOS device can drive up to 10 CMOS load. That means fan out. Okay? ओरल के लिए और गेट एग्जाम भी अगर आपको देनी है तो ये चीजें पता रहनी चाहिए थ्रू आउट. Is it clear? This is the end of our digital logic families. That is, you are having the 5th unit and we and this student are having the first unit. Should we revise the things? Or should we discuss the MCQs based on this?
मैम MCQ के दौरान रिवीजन हो जाएगा मैम.
But I thought that you should know. अभी ये fan out और fan in में confuse हो गए आप लोग. Okay. See, I will discuss it. Here there are no answers. You have to give the answer. Those questions you are not able to answer, you just go through the theory part of it. Within 2 days, I will share you notes. Okay. It will consist interfacing part also that is required for the ENTC students. You just skip that part because I'm going to write the notes for both the students common. Okay, commonly. See, first is the time interval between the application of an input and the occurrence of the resulting output is known as. Options are rise time, fall time, propagation delay, time delay.
Propagation delay.
Very good. When propagation delay is minimum, अभी discuss किया है ये point.
Speed is maximum.
Very good. Speed is minimum, speed is moderate, speed is maximum. So it is a maximum. Third, minimum voltage level required for a logic 1 at an input is known as. See, this characteristic you go through it properly because many of you might be there in confusion that minimum, maximum, input, output, O for output, high for high. लेकिन यहाँ पे VIH minimum कब रहता है, VIL minimum. We just go through it, then we'll discuss it. VNH equal to है क्या अभी notebook? I have given these formulas. VNH equal to
C.
VOH minus VIH.
minimum maximum भी लिखा है.
Minimum.
So what will be that? VOH minimum minus
VIH minimum.
okay VNL. Already we have discussed this thing in lectures. Okay, and I told you that write down these things. Just go through it. Now, we'll discuss in general things. The maximum number of inputs of several that can be driven by the output of a logic gate is decided by the parameter called
Fan out.
fan out or fan in.
Fan in.
What will be that? Fan in or fan out?
I'm fan in because
Fan out,
input.
ma'am.
Is it a fan out? See, carefully read the statements. In electronics, you have to read it carefully. The maximum number of input of several that can be driven by the output of a logic gate is decided by the parameter called fan out. क्योंकि यहाँ पे लॉजिक आउटपुट ऑफ लॉजिक गेट ड्राइव कर रहा है, मतलब वी आर गिविंग दिस टू इनपुट टू अनदर गेट, सो इट इज अ फैन आउट. Refer to the number of inputs.
Fan in.
Very good. A logic circuit has a fan out of 10. Then the circuit has 10 inputs, has 10 outputs, can drive maximum of 10 inputs, gives output 10 times the input.
Can drive maximum of 10 inputs.
Very good. आपकी तो अभी प्रिपरेशन हो गई फिर. अभी डिस्कस किया था हम लोगों ने. समझ में आ रहा है सभी को? Then the circuit can drive maximum of 10 inputs. हमें ब्लैंकली नहीं पढ़ना है कि फैन आउट 10 है. पता नहीं चलता कि फैन आउट 10 है मतलब क्या है, क्या हो रहा है, ये पता रहना चाहिए. So figure of merit of a logic family is given by
Push delay time into power dissipation.
what?
Option B.
B. Propagation delay time into power dissipation. Go through it. See which of the following statement is a false. Now, for this purpose, you have to study thoroughly. Okay, you have to go through the theory. You have to read it carefully. Then only these are answerable.
Option
Which
D.
of the following? Read किया आपने?
मैम लास्ट वाला पढ़ा मैम, वो रॉन्ग है.
False है क्या? Okay. The figure of merit is not a product of propagation delay time and power dissipation. और अभी आप लोगों ने क्या बोला? Figure of merit is a product of propagation delay time and power dissipation. Okay, इसीलिए. और बाकी के सभी स्टेटमेंट रीड किए क्या?
नो मैम.
करो ना, फिर अलग से भी क्वेश्चन आ सकता है. ये सभी स्टेटमेंट कहीं ना कहीं तो 1 मार्क के लिए, एमसीक्यूज के लिए मिलेंगे आपको. ये प्रेफर करो. रीड इट केयरफुली. द स्पीड पावर प्रोडक्ट इज एन इम्पोर्टेंट पैरामीटर फॉर कंपेयरिंग वेरियस टीटीएल डिवाइसेस. A low value of speed power product indicates that a propagation delay can be achieved without excessive power dissipation and vice versa. ये कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं इससे. The speed power product of propagation delay time and power dissipation. Okay, and the figure of merit is not a product of. Last one is the correct answer. Which of the following sentence is not correct? पढ़ो और बोलो मुझे. Which of the following sentence is not correct? Propagation delay is the time required for a gate to change its state. Noise immunity is the amount of noise which can be applied to the input of a gate without causing the gate to change its state. This is right. Fanning of a gate is always
Option
equal
C.
to
Option C, ma'am.
Option C. Yes, correct. Because it is not required. Fanning of a gate is always equal to the fan out of the same gate. Operating speed is the maximum frequency at which digital data can be applied to gate. Yes, this is also right. TTL logic families FET, PN junctions, NPN transistors, and MOSFETs.
NPN transistors.
NPN transistors. Okay. The basic gate in TTL family is
NAND.
NAND. Two input TTL NAND gate consists of ये है क्या? ड्रॉ करने के लिए बोला था, स्क्रीनशॉट लेने के लिए भी बोला था मैंने.
Four transistors.
Correct. 4 transistor Q3 and Q4 totem pole arrangement. उतना भी ध्यान में रहा तो पता चलेगा कि NAND में TTL अरेंजमेंट में क्या है, वो टोटम पोल अरेंजमेंट है. द ट्रांजिस्टर वी आर कंसीडरिंग एज अ Q3 Q4. So there are 4 transistors. Okay, very good. TTL circuits with active pull-up are preferred because of their suitability for wired AND operation, bus operated system, wired logic operation, reasonable dissipation and speed of power operation. Active pull-up means totem pull arrangement, or you can remove that one transistor and you can connect that there one resistor. You have to read it for this. An open input terminal of a TTL gate. Open input terminal of a TTL gate should be connected to logic 0 level, to the logic 1 level, or between logic 0 and 1 levels. ये भी last lecture में discuss किया था. फिर से हम लोग ये यूनिट डिस्कस नहीं करेंगे आज ही. This will be the end for your unit, and from next lecture we will start your first unit as per computer department. Okay, क्या है इसमें बताया था. ओपन इनपुट टर्मिनल should be connected to 0, logic 1, either logic 0 and 1 levels. Even though it is remain floating or not connected, unconnected inputs, ये point था हमारा. तो वो क्या ट्रीट होता है, you are getting it, they are treated as a logic 1, that is logic high, so they are always connected to the logic 1 level for the TTL. Okay, a totem pole output of TTL is known as active pull-up output, open collector output, what is totem pole arrangement or totem pole output?
When two n-pin transistor connected in series.
So what is the question now? Which of the following output configuration are available in a TTL gate? Oh no, sorry. The totem pole output of TTL is known as. Tri-state बोलते हैं क्या उसको? Totem pole को? Are you getting 3 states from that? Yes or no? Can we call it as a tri-state output? Disconnect कर लगेगा? Can you listen me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And the screen is visible also.
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell me the answer. What is the question? That totem pole output of TTL is known as. Whether are you getting tri-state output? Yes or no? जब एमसीक्यूज की पढ़ाई करते हो तब ऐसी नहीं पढ़ाई करनी चाहिए कि सिर्फ करेक्ट आउटपुट देखना, करेक्ट ऑप्शन देखना चाहिए. यू हैव टू चेक ऑल द ऑप्शंस, why that particular is right and why the others are not correct. That also you have to study. मेरा क्वेश्चन क्या है, टोटम पोल में ट्राइस्टेट आउटपुट मिलता है क्या? Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
No. So this will be wrong. Third, open collector output. It is a open collector.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it a open collector?
I think C option is correct.
Why it is open collector? टोटम पोल में दोनों ट्रांजिस्टर रहते हैं, ओपन कहाँ रहता है वो? Q3 तो VDD को कनेक्ट रहता है ना. डायग्राम है क्या अभी सभी के पास? See that diagram. No, it is not a open collector output. टोटम पोल में अभी तो आपने ही बताया ना, दो ट्रांजिस्टर रहते हैं ना, connected in series, and that particular both transistor is connected to the VDD, so it is not an open collector output. So this is called as a active pull-up output. Totem pole output of a TTL active pull-up output. अभी लिख के ले लो, totem pole / active pull-up. Which of the following output configuration are available in a TTL gate? अभी बोलो कि कौन कौन से है available. Open collector, totem pole output and tri-state output. See the options and tell me the option. हमने discuss
B option 1 and 2.
only 1 and 2. And what about 3? There is no tri-state output.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. That is option D. There is a tri-state output also. We have studied it. Tri-state पढ़ाया ना मैंने? पढ़ाया कि नहीं पढ़ाया?
Ma'am, I think then I was absent for that lecture.
Okay. Any other? Tri-state में third state कौन सी है?
High impedance.
तो मैंने पढ़ाया है नहीं? So there is a high, low and high impedance state. So it is also possible in a TTL gate. So all these three options are correct. So answer is a D. Recommended fan out for TTL gate is, अभी वो देखा हमने टेबल, क्या था उसमें?
And
10.
10 था. हाँ. और CMOS के लिए कितना था?
50.
50.
Very good. अभी इसमें जो है वायर एडिंग इज पॉसिबल. हाँ. In ECL, TTL with active pull-up, open collector, TTL with passive pull-up. Wire ending. It is only possible in case of open collector. Open collector जब रहता है तभी वायर एंडिंग करते हैं हम लोग. किसका माइक ऑन था अभी? बबीता जेठालाल. The main advantage of TTL with totem pole output as compared to other TTL types are higher fan in, fan out, fast switching and low power dissipation, higher noise margin and low cost. I'll share you the theoretical notes in detail, then we'll see. Tri-state logic has, अभी बोलो option. अभी बोला हमने.
B.
D. Tri-state logic has. Can there be D option? Only 2 output states. It is wrong because we are saying that there are tri-states. 3 output states, 0, 1 and high impedance. Third is a logic 0, output when tri-stated. Logic 1, output when tri-stated.
MB.
What is the D? There are 3 states. TTL tri-state inverter consists of TTL नहीं इस MCQ में कई है वो सिर्फ ENTC के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए है for standard detailed voltage levels in order to study this microelectric family short detail. This is not in detail. Okay. The temperature range for commercial application ICs
0 to 70.
option
B.
B. Very good. And for अभी यहाँ पे स्पेसिफिक पूछा है कि टेम्परेचर रेंज फॉर 500 सीरीज ICs is it is as per previous syllabus. Standard TTL is a current source logic, non-saturated bipolar logic, non-standard bipolar logic, high threshold logic. What will be the answer? मॉरिस मैनो में एक चैप्टर है डिजिटल लॉजिक फैमिलीज का, वो पूरी तरह से पढ़ो, समझ में आएगा. इट इज अ सैचुरेटेड बाइपोलर लॉजिक. अभी ये सीरीज का टेम्परेचर है, इज द जनरल द प्रोपगेशन डिले टाइम ऑफ CMOS devices. Okay. In general, the propagation delay time of MOS devices same, less, more, maybe more or less than bipolar devices. What will be the answer? अभी देखा ना हमने
Less.
प्रोपगेशन डिले लेस था या मोर था?
Ma'am, 105 CMOS and 10 TTL.
TTL.
सो CMOS का ज्यादा था.
Yes, ma'am. Higher.
More. So option will be more than the bipolar. CMOS logic consists of N channel, only P channel, MOS devices and capacitor, P channel and N channel devices.
Option D.
Option D.
Option D. Oh, yes, that's why it is called as a complementary, because it is consists of the P channel as well as the N channel. If there are only NMOS are there, it is called as a N channel MOS devices. If they are consist of only PMOS, then they are called as a P channel MOS devices. And if they are containing the P channel as well as the N channel devices, then it is called as a CMOS, complementary metal oxide semiconductor. MOS devices are used for VLSI because of delay, higher packaging density, availability of N channel and P channel devices, availability of enhancement and depletion mode MOSFETs. What will be that? Due to the higher packaging density, these are very smaller and or fabricate more CMOS on the particular ICs. A CMOS inverter consists of, what is this? Options. They are very easy. Other students, at least listen it carefully. It will be helpful for you also.
Option C.
It is it. Lowest power dissipation. Which of the following logic family has the lowest power dissipation?
CMOS.
CMOS. Wired and operation is possible in, अभी देखा हमने. We are covered just now in this lecture. Wired and operation is possible in wired and means what? Connect collector or different drains to the same wire. This is called as a wired AND. Okay. So in total output there are two transistors. You can keep it open.
आज भी नहीं आज मिली. तुम भाई की बात कर रहे हो, हम नजर की बात कर रहे हैं. रानी से तुम्हारी नजर कल मिली ना.
Who is talking, man?
मैं तो खेलते बच्चों को देख रहा हूँ. अच्छा, अरे मैं नाम का नहीं
चल रहा है? Okay, wired and operation is possible. Just now we discussed this. Open collector in case of TTL and open drain output in case of the CMOS. So B and C, that is the option D. Got it? Wired ending अभी देखा ना हम लोगों ने, जब open collector रहता है और open drain रहता है, then only wired ending is a possible. Got it? Which
Yes,
one of
ma'am.
the following? Which one of the following logic families can be operated using a supply voltage from 3 to 15 volt?
CMOS.
CMOS. All these are TTL logic families, and they are operate only for the 5 volt. CMOS can operate from 3 to 15 volt. Consider the following statement regarding the ICs. CMOS has the least power consumption. TTL has the largest fan out. CMOS has the lowest power consumption. Which of the statements are correct? A is correct. Is it require less power? It has the least power consumption.
Yes, ma'am. 0.1 millivolt.
And TTL has the largest fan out.
CMOS 50.
So that can't be correct. CMOS का 50 है, ज़्यादा है. So this option is cancelled. CMOS has the lowest power consumption. Least and lowest में ये है क्या? Okay. और D तो option ही नहीं है. Okay. So 1 and 3 are correct. All these required as a learn in a first year. A BJT used as a switches between cutoff and active regions, cutoff and saturation regions, active and saturation regions, all of these. जब ट्रांजिस्टर एज स्विच यूज करते हैं तो कैसे स्विचिंग होती है? Tell me next lecture, go through it. N-channel MOS devices are preferred over P-channel MOS devices for digital required. This also require theory. Low power dissipation is desired in large system. It is to the shorter the propagation delay हो गया था वो भी. What will be that? Shorter the propagation delay, options are different. Higher the speed of the circuit, slower the speed of the circuit, and depend on the logic family.
Option A.
A. It's again repeated. Military range. What is the military range? Military IC series have a universal requirement for operability form. What is the range?
Minus 55 to 125.
So option is a D.
D.
Okay. You have to remember these temperature ranges, okay? Because these are universally accepted things. You can't say that 30 degrees Celsius to 55 or minus 30 degrees Celsius to 85. The standard answer is a standard range is a minus 55 degrees Celsius to 125 degrees Celsius. Okay. This is again in a different manner. That fanning of a gate is defined as. Read it and tell me the option. Code for this lecture is 2. Okay. We'll finish in 5 minutes. Tell me the answer for fanning. Options are different.
B.
B. Fan in is there.
Yes, ma'am. B option.
B. Read it carefully. B and C option will be already cancelled because this is a fan. fan in of a gate. So it depends upon the number of inputs connected to the gate. With degradation in voltage levels or without degradation in voltage levels. That will be the only confusing
Without
thing.
degradation.
Degradation.
ये वो गरीबों को उठा ले ये बगल में बस वो पतीला लगेगा अरे लगेगा मेरे को
पहले कौन था वो? कौन तो वही था ना?
वही था
हाँ,
मैम, सलमान
name
भाई
change
आया था
करके
पिछली
enter
बार,
करो।
अभी बाबू भाई आए।
वही है क्या? बताती हूँ मैं अभी। ठीक है. We'll end the meeting because no electricity is now. This is on my mobile and I am not having these questions. Okay. Is there any difficulty in this unit, digital logic families? Oh no. Okay. Is there any difficulty in this digital logic families?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so there is no need to discuss it again. Okay, we will try to complete your first 2 units because you are having may have in same online or offline, don't know, but we will now start first 2 units according to the computer department syllabus. ENTC students, you are having again the second unit as a combinational logic design, and they are having the third unit. Okay, many contents are there that you are having more syllabus than the computer students. That extra part I will cover it in a practical session. Okay. Okay, we'll end the meeting and tomorrow we'll start the next chapter. Okay.